So we're here, day one at our PML Mastermind. It's March 1st, 2025, and this is the first time we're doing it at this venue. This is actually where I started doing my business masterminds many, many years ago. So I came back here. It's the first time I've been back here in years because this venue holds like just over 100 people. And my business masterminds over the last few years have been holding like 250, 300 people. So I couldn't do it here, but I love this place. So I'm back, and as you see, the room's getting filled up. Probably got another dozen or so people that need to still come. And we'll get started once everyone gets here, probably in the next 15 minutes or so. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. Keep watching. Good morning. Yeah.
PML Mastermind, we're kicking off here in less than 30 seconds. You should be in the room. Thank you guys so much for being here. Love it.
They're gonna every single month. On top of that, they might only have 50,000, but they might have friends that have millions of dollars or whatever else. So referrals is a big part of it.
This is absolutely fire. So much information, all kinds of hidden gems. I cannot recommend it enough. I was on the fence about attending, and I'm so glad I made it out here. I'm definitely not gonna regret it, and this is gonna help me scale my private money lending business in no time.
Being at the PML Mastermind is super cool because I'm learning how I've been doing things all wrong so far. I'm learning about how to optimize my systems based on what they're teaching. They're bringing such cool guest speakers that are talking about various different things in how you do lending that just provide a lot of good value. I am super happy to be here. You should do it too if you're thinking of lending, and if you're serious about building a business, then this is the right place to be in.
This is not the first PML I've come to with Abraham and Alexis. Frankly, it's my third, but I need you to know that I'm a big chicken. I happen to be blessed and I happen to have funds, and I was scared out of my bejeebies to lend it out because of a lot of things that can go wrong. And coming to these PMLs has been such a blessing. First, I love supporting Abraham and Alexis, but more than anything, I'm learning how to be safe. And it's really, really gotten me to the point where now I'm lending and doing it with confidence. Whether you want to raise capital, because I'll be doing that too, or whether you have funds and you're hesitant, this is the place to be.
So I've been doing private money lending for about a year, have done about 30 deals, but it still makes me really nervous. There's a lot of things that I don't know and things that I know I can do better, so I really want to come here and just be better at just being a lender. I've seen a lot of people lose money, and it sucks because you've worked really hard on it to earn your money, build that up. You know, coming here, it really helps you understand the risks involved, how to do it properly, and again, protect yourself as a lender.
This is not just like other groups or e-courses that people are selling. Like, there was so much valuable information in here, and the networking piece, everybody that I talked to was like, hey, I would do this again 100 times over. And so it's really hard to find, you know, someone who is doing that and giving such valuable information. Ryan.
What's up, familia? How's everybody doing?
All the tips that they gave us to be a PML, it makes me think that, you know what, how come I didn't start it before?
It's more than what I thought I would have gained for this. I was looking to find out how to secure my deals, find out more about how to underwrite deals. The information's been above and beyond what I expected, and we're still learning more, so I highly recommend coming to PML Mastermind.